In the fast-paced rhythm of modern life, the simple act of sitting down for a well-rounded breakfast often gets overlooked. In this enlightening video, we will delve deep into the layers of the importance of breakfast, unraveling its secrets as the cornerstone of a healthy, energetic, and productive day. Join us on this journey as we explore the multitude of benefits that a wholesome breakfast brings to your physical, mental, and emotional well-being. Fueling the engine, kickstarting your metabolism. Breakfast is the ignition key for your metabolic engine. After a night of fasting, your body craves essential nutrients to jumpstart its metabolic processes. A balanced breakfast provides the necessary fuel, setting the tone for a day of increased energy expenditure and improved calorie burning. Learn how this morning ritual propels you into a day of vitality. Cognitive kick, boosting mental alertness and focus. A nutrient-rich breakfast isn't just sustenance for your body, it's a feast for your brain. Scientific studies consistently demonstrate that individuals who consume a well-balanced breakfast experience enhanced cognitive function, including improved memory, attention span, and overall mental alertness. Discover the secret behind how a hearty breakfast becomes the catalyst for conquering daily challenges with clarity and sustained focus. Stabilizing blood sugar, a balancing act. Breakfast plays a crucial role in regulating blood sugar levels throughout the day. By providing a steady supply of glucose, a balanced breakfast helps prevent erratic spikes and crashes, contributing to better mood stability and sustained energy levels. Explore the delicate balancing act that breakfast performs, positively impacting your overall well-being. Nutrient infusion, meeting daily nutritional requirements. The morning meal is an opportune time to infuse your body with essential nutrients. Explore the variety of vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants that a well-planned breakfast can deliver. Learn how incorporating diverse food groups ensures that you kickstart your day with a nutritional boost, contributing to long-term health benefits. Uncover the transformative power of a nutrient-rich morning routine. Weight management, breaking the overnight fast mindfully. Contrary to popular belief, skipping breakfast does not aid in weight loss. In fact, it may have adverse effects on your metabolism and eating patterns throughout the day. Delve into the science behind how a balanced breakfast contributes to effective weight management by curbing unhealthy cravings and regulating appetite. Understand the role breakfast plays in fostering a mindful and intentional approach to eating. As we unravel the layers of the importance of breakfast, it becomes evident that this morning ritual is not just a routine but a cornerstone of a healthy lifestyle. From fueling your metabolic engine to enhancing cognitive function and supporting weight management, breakfast plays a pivotal role in shaping the course of your day. Embrace the knowledge shared in this extensive video to make informed choices about what you put on your plate each morning. Subscribe now and make breakfast the catalyst for a healthier, more vibrant you. It's time to rise and thrive, one wholesome breakfast at a time.